Hello dear viewers, I hope all of you are well. So here I copy this this sites this content, but I didn't copy this. So how you can copy this? Just go here and browse Chrome Web Store. Here the Chrome Web Store will become here. Just click this, or you can go there. You can consider it. You can choose here and little bit down. Here is the Chrome Web Store, or if you didn't get, just write Chrome Web Store and click search. Okay, whenever you search, that's the first one, you can select it, and whenever you select it, that page will become, and then you have to click right click, right click. Okay, here whenever you click right click, there is a supreme copy. Here enable right click Google Chrome. Here superior allow copy, midnight Chrome, double click test tab, pink pixel art. So you can select this, or enable right click, or superior allow copy. So we select it. Whenever we select, that's program will be told you to add Chrome checking and add extensions. Okay, here is it. You can take this and our extensions will be ready. So whenever you go to here is supreme copy is allowed. So I select it, enable extensions on this website. Okay, so enable, now activate. So we can go this side, and now if we refresh it and if we copy it, here another one is allow simple copy. You can take this also, add Chrome to add extensions. Here we are adding. Okay, already add here. Here is a simple copy. So here is our site. We can copy this. We want to copy this. Okay, now you can select. Okay, refresh it again, and where is simple copy? Here is the extension simple allow copy. You just select it. Here our document, we can copy from these sites these documents. For the reasons, you have to go your this form, and you have to select a simple allow copy, and that would be this color, and that's active. And you just control select here, control A and control A, and just and now and copy. Here is copy, and then in my notepad I just copy this. Here is it. All data and documents are come here, and easily any kinds of site, any kinds of document that's copy protected form, you can copy easily. So that's all today, and if you like and subscribe that's channel. Okay, thank you very much.